Welcome to 8 Auburn Street. We're located where everyone wants to be in West Medford, right across the street from the Brooks School, located right down the street from the commuter rail, shops, and restaurants. Come check out the inside and enjoy the tour. My name is John from the Ternullo team at Leading Edge Real Estate. For more information on this great home, or if you'd like to see it in person, or if you're considering a move to the suburbs north of Boston, give us a call at 617-275-3379. Learn more about our team at TernulloRealEstate.com and like our Facebook page to stay in the know of real estate related info for the suburbs north of Boston.